This is the round 2 of the radio drama in the Big Brother house. So this time it is about Liema again, but this time it is not Ashley, it's actually Q talking to Dumi the barber who was evicted this Sunday, saying the same thing Ashley said, that Uliema is lazy, Uliema has nothing to give in the Big Brother house. Basically, listen, that she's lazy, she doesn't clean, she doesn't do the dishes, she doesn't mop, she doesn't sweep. And I'm just like, what type of games is Big Brother trying to play? Because it seems like every time the radio goes off, it's always about Uliema. Like, I'm kind of starting to think that Big Brother wants to pin Liema against everyone. Like, it seems like he wants Liema in a corner by herself. Because of all of these people talk, why can't the radio go off and they're talking about Umili, or they're talking about UQ, or they're talking about Ubravo? Like the first time it was Ashley talking about Liema, he apologized. And then now it is Q talking about Liema, and they are both so remorseful. But all I'm gonna say is that this is a game, y'all. Nobody here likes each other. The people that I feel like genuinely like each other are the couples or situationships, what like they call them, Umili and Utandeka. But other people, I don't see them liking each other. They're all pretending. Even the bandana girls, like I'm telling you, they are pretending. Take one away, one will have to betray the other one. No one likes each other here. And he was like sitting there, not even surprised, but it's just like, Big Brother, what type of games are you trying to play? Like, why is it only about Liema? Like, I feel like he just wants her in the corner alone. Like, I don't know what games he's trying to play. He's exposing people's game as well, because we knew Ashley as the sweetheart. But now it's like, oh, he said those things and he was literally Liama's best friend in the house. And now that has changed. And yes, Uliama basically forgave both of them, but I don't think their relationships will be the same again, because now she knows how they feel about her. And that's just my opinion. So guys, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And here is the full video and the whole tape of the conversation.
Someone who's been here before. So he said, I don't trust anyone who's returning, but I trust you.
But it's a no.
That's what he said. I don't trust anyone who's coming back here.
And he said I'm dangerous, blah, blah, blah.
But I trust you.
I have to offer cleaning. I don't know.
He said he doesn't trust anyone who's coming back for the second time.
I don't clean, I'm always
But
late.
I trust
Do I
you.
have to offer cleaning? That's how people win 2 million
So now I
by
have to
cleaning.
justify.
You don't have to justify, but I'm telling you, but do I have to offer cleaning? It's just a question.
Ask him now. Me talking.
And then the one said, if I have a side with high special island, but I don't care, I mean, especially playing this.
Hey Q, can you say who you talking to? Yeah, no. You never find me this kind of thing.
He said, I don't trust anyone who's returning here.
You know what? She was saying in the conversation that I'm dangerous, blah, blah, blah. To me, the same night nominated me, Liema is dangerous. That's the reason that he gave. So freaking stupid.
I thought it was you.
Hey, Bo.
Everybody's number one.
What does she offer besides being late? She does not clean. So that's the hi, Bo. Hi, Bo. I must offer that. If you want to clean, go clean. What do they offer? Imagine. What do you offer? You put it back in the pot. Yes, so.
No one knows.
You can leave the rest.
Write it down.
I don't know. Yeah, say
And I was jogging. And I was...
Continue. You want to cut it off?
No, before I heard that.
So it's still going on with that. Oh God, we're going to Liam. Very God. Who's like that? I wonder who's that.
I want to make sure you never, boy. Me, I'll be laughing if I'm there, and I'll be like, hey, let's call her.
That's why I don't believe and trust people who say they don't watch the show. How do you know I was in a ship? You said you never watched the show. Now you know I was in a ship. Imagine. Hey.